I'd say this pile would probably last me, I'd say probably 3 weeks or so. So, after getting that all done, got a lot of more work to do. I'll show you the floors and what they look like now. Yeah, they're dirty. Well, the whole four-wheeler got a workout today. Brought up 2 loads. I'm going to bring you over to the solar right now because there's this thing in the sky. Where is it? Somewhere up there. Hasn't been around for a week or so, I'd say. Feels like forever. Let's go inside and check it out and see how much power we're getting in today. The sun is southwest right now, so it's not very direct sunlight. Panels are facing south, a little bit of east. I'm bringing in over 1,000 watts. Won't have to charge the batteries with the generator today. Nice clean panels because the sun melted it all off. So hopefully we can keep the snow away for a while. But it sounds like there's going to be some more in the forecast here shortly in a few days. So we're starting this all over again. Are you thinking about homesteading? Maybe going off grid? Keep in mind, it's a lot of work. You're going to have a lot of responsibilities to do. Animals to take care of. Wood to put in the house, to keep heat in the house. Gonna have to keep that all in mind. I didn't dive into this just right away. I spent a few years doing my research, learning about batteries, solar panels. I grew up in the country, out in the country, so you know, cutting wood and splitting wood was just something I already did. I wouldn't trade this lifestyle for nothing. The more I get this homestead complete, the more I can get closer to checking out of the system. There's always work to be done around here. And it even seems like there's a lot more work when you got a full-time job as well. So for anybody out there struggling to do this, keep up the good work. We're gonna get there. Just gotta work for it.